Okay, first stop of 2 on the way out. And again, I could have ridden my bicycle, but it's much easier with a car. I'm going to go down to the boat ramp because obviously that's where the river is. And being a boat ramp, I can turn around. I'll have plenty of room. 1 lane through here, so you got to have fun with others. You got to play well in the sandbox. At least they have a pull out here, so you don't have to play chicken. Who's going to end up in the grass first with a trailer and a boat, or in this case, a camper. Another advantage of coming here in the morning. All these nice pine trees like we saw riding the bicycle yesterday. This is a long little road, but again, pullouts. This is the 4th or 5th pullout I've seen. Another one down here. Got some early folks out here, and there's even an RV down here. It says no camping, which I'm not planning to. Why? A lot of people coming out here. It is the weekend. So I'm gonna make this little turn. We're gonna go down to the water and check it out. That's what's nice about having a small, light trailer. You're very nimble. I think I'll be able to turn around here. 7 minutes past the hour, so I'm doing fine with time. Just enough to take a look through here. We'll check out another river view, and that will be it for Blackwater River State Park.